Everyone, I'm Anija Shingan. I'm back with my next video. Welcome to Science Data Science YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. And please share with your friends and relatives who want to transit their career into the data science. So these are the very useful videos, and you can contact me at contact@sciencedatascience.com, and I also give the homework at the end of my each video so you can practice at your home. And I also shared the link of the notebook so you can download and practice with the same notebook. So today I am going to continue with the conditional statement. In my previous lesson, I have taught you the conditional statement, what does it do, where we use it. Today we are going to continue with the nested conditional statement. In my experience, my many students are able to do the conditional statement easily, but when they come up with the chance of nested conditional statement, it sometimes it become a like a hard for them as a beginner. So this is again, I would like to tell you, when you are doing today with me, please give the proper attention to this part, because this is again the most widely used method in Python, which you will use either you are writing a code for machine learning or either you are in the development. Okay, but don't worry if you don't understand anything out of your code, or you may are running with the again and again the any bug, you can contact me and you can share your notebook at contact@sciencedatascience.com. I will try to answer all questions. This is my goal to achieve, so you can achieve your goal, okay, to help you. So now let's start. I'm using my same notebook so you can have everything under one roof, under one file. So in the above portion, if you remember, this is over like the conditional statement, and now we are going to talk about the nested conditional statements. Okay, and you can if rename it to the nested conditional statement, your notebook. Okay. Again, I will give you the layman example. If you remember in my previous video, I have given you the example of the red apple. Again, your parents are saying you to go to the market and buy the red apple, right? Let's take another way. You are doing the online shopping. You are doing the shopping for fruits, right? So you are asking to the you are saying, you are talking to the shopper who is doing the shopping for you. You are saying them, did you get the red apples? If he say yes, then you will say okay, buy it. Okay, and if they don't get the red apple, you will say them buy the grapes. But you are also saying, check if the you get a red color grapes and its taste should be sweet, or it should be seedless. So you are putting the three more condition on the second condition. So it will become condition on condition, or you can say condition inside the conditional block. And we will call it nested conditional statement. Okay. Don't worry, it's very easy. Okay. I will write down here. You can type the code with me and try to understand. And if you have any problem, feel free to contact, and you can also post your question under the comment section box. Now let's start. So here we will first say apple, and we are saying here input. We are asking to the shopper now. Did you get red apples? Say yes or no. Okay. So why I'm saying say yes or no, or you can make it more friendly. You can say answer, please answer in yes or no. So if we are telling to the front end user in which format they need to answer in the text box, it's very easy for them to understand the in which format they need to give the input. Okay, sometimes they can struggle. Like if you are doing the online shopping, they are telling you this is the price, so they will give you the dollar sign. You can enter the integer. You cannot enter the like the English character there, right? We are making the user friendly interface. So the same thing you need to keep in your mind to be a like expert professional programmer. This is the my tip as well to you and my recommendation as well to all of you. And then we will see here apple. Now we will add the condition. If apple is equals to yes. Okay. So before moving ahead, I would like to add one more thing here. If you remember in my first lesson, I have shared the Boolean data type with all of you. Okay. If you don't want to use a string yes or no here, you can use a 0 and 1. But that will look a little bit more like the maybe give the hard time to the customer, right? They will say, why should I enter 1 or 0, right? So we will keep it string. Otherwise, you can also use here your true false as well, binary. But for that you need to do the little bit more struggle. You can take the input as a string, but you will convert it into 1 or 0. Okay. Sorry, not 1 or 0, you will convert it into like integer, and then you will compare it. Okay. But we will not go at that much deeper level right now, so I will keep it simple, and then you can try, okay, and ask me if you're trying, and then we can discuss more. Okay. So today I'm going to take it in a string data type. If apple is equals to yes, then we will say print, then we say please buy 2 pound apples, and then say thanks to shop. Okay. In case your shopper says, no, I did not get the apple, right? So what we'll do, your loop, like the loop will come here, right? Your conditional statement will reach here. Now you will ask the shopper again. We will say here, variable declare grapes, right? We will ask shopper, did you get the grapes? Sorry, answer in yes or no. If the grapes is equals to yes, okay, then now you will ask the shopper, is it of a red color or not? Then we will declare the color variable here is equals to input. Are they of a red color? Okay. So now you will check if color is equals to yes. If he will answer in yes or no, right? So it will say here yes. Then you will say again you are putting the one more condition taste, or we can say seedless. Are they input? Are they seedless? You will add the condition here if seedless is equals to yes. Okay. Then you will approve the shopper print. Please buy grapes. Thanks for doing shopping for me. Okay. So this is the one. But in case he didn't find the grapes, then we need to say here else part. Okay. Then we will say else. It is showing in the red color. This means there is an indentation problem. So you need to take care here the indentation whenever you are writing the conditional statements. You know, in the conditional statement, either it is a simple block like we did in the previous video, or either you are doing the this nested block. The indentation is very, very, very important in this case. Mainly the problem or the error arises due to indentation. Okay. So don't worry, everything will be good. And now we will say here print. We will give the message to the shopper. Please try in another store. Okay. Now we will run it. Okay. Now, did you get the red apple? Please answer in yes or no. He will say yes. Okay. So now here it is asking why it is enter into the else another part. Did you see? It should come out. It should say, please buy 2 pound apples, thanks. But it is saying me, it start asking me grapes. So what's the mistake here? Anyone notice? If you notice, you can write down in the comment. Okay, so here we are taking the input with the small y and I am comparing with the big Y. Okay, don't worry. This is here if you either user enter in the whole caps, title letter or whatever, there are some inbuilt methods come up for this string. It will convert your every like the title or uppercase into smaller. Okay, these are the inbuilt methods I will share in upcoming video. Okay, so whenever a user is entering anything, you can convert it into lowercase only. Okay, now we will run it again. Here we go. So now it is still running. So we will stop and run it again. Okay, so now we will say yes. So now it is correct, right? So these are the small mistakes like we do sometime and we get frustrated why it is not running correctly. Okay. So I did it to show you that this kind of errors or mistakes. This is a very common error or mistakes done by the beginner and the programmers. Okay. So take care of these things in your mind. And how you can overcome this, I will tell you when we will talk about the inbuilt methods. Okay. So now we will run it again. So we can check for the grapes as well. We will say no. Now it will ask, did you get the grapes? Answer in yes or no. We will say yes. So now it will check, it comes under this condition, right? It is asking you, are they of a red color? Now you will say yes, they are of a red color. Now it is asking you, are they seedless? They are, a shopper is saying yes. Then it is saying, please buy the grapes. Thanks for doing shopping for me. That's it. Okay. So now we will check the another condition now. Again, we will run it. We will say no. Okay. Did you get the grapes? No. Please try in another store. Okay. In this, what you can do now, what is your homework now? You need to handle the else part of all these if statement. You just download this notebook. What will happen if your shopper say no, it is not of a red color? So what message you want to give to the shopper? You need to add a else part in this. Okay. So this is now your homework. Add the else part in this program and just share your notebook with me. Okay. This is all about today's video. And if you like it, please like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for the upcoming useful informational videos. Okay. I will also release soon about the roadmap of how you can be a data analyst in 2025. Okay. And if you did not watch my previous video about the conditional statement, I will share the previous video link as well, this notebook link and some useful resources as well. Thank you so much. Happy AI learning.